Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to differentiate between natural behavior and nurtured behavior. Human behavior can be categorized into natural behavior, which is actually born behavior, and nurtured behavior, behavior that is learned from the experiences in the environment. Natural behavior refers to the innate or instinctual behavior that humans possess from birth, while learned or nurtured behavior is acquired through experiences or observation. Some examples of nature or born behavior include crying, sucking, grasping, and stutter reflex. These behaviors are biologically programmed and are present in all humans from birth. On the other hand, nurtured or learned behavior refers to behavior that is acquired through experiences or observation. For example, language, social skills, cultural norms are learned behavior that varies across different societies and culture. In terms of which behavior is easier to defreeze or diminish, learned behavior may be easier to change than born behavior. Born behavior is innate and hardwired into our biology, making it difficult to change. Learned behavior, on the other hand, is shaped by our experiences and can be modified through conscious effort and practice. For example, if someone has learned negative behavior such as anger or anxiety, they can work towards changing this behavior through therapy, mindfulness practice, and positive habit formation. However, if someone has born or natural behavior such as natural inclination towards aggression or impulsivity, it may be more challenging to change this behavior. In conclusion, while humans possess both nature and nurtured behavior may be easier to defreeze or diminish than born behavior. However, with delegation and support, it is possible to work towards changing negative behaviors and cultivating a positive and fulfilling life. Thank you.